With TutorBird, you can keep track of how much each of your tutors and staff members are owed in the Payroll menu. To enable payroll features, click on the tutor's profile and go to the Payroll tab. Click the Set Up Automatic Payroll button beside Base Payroll Settings. Choose how you would like to calculate this tutor's payroll, whether they should be paid a flat hourly rate or a percentage of revenue, how makeup credits are used, and their pay rate. If you'd like the new pay rate to apply to events already on the calendar, select Apply Base Payroll Settings to existing events on the calendar and set a start date. Click Save. Since payroll payments must be paid externally to TutorBird, it's important to record the payments in the Payroll tab to update this tutor's balance owing. Click on Add and select whether you're adding a payment, income, or a deduction, and follow the prompts to add this payment. This will update the balance owing for this tutor and record the amount as tutor payroll in your expenses and other revenue. Sometimes, certain types of events might cause you to pay your tutors differently, whether it's an exam, admin time, a group lesson, or any other category. To create a category payroll override, you can click on Add New next to Category Payroll Settings. Select the lesson category that this teacher should be paid differently for, and update their settings. If you'd like to create a payroll override for a category that overrides all of your tutors, you can use the Event Category Payroll Override option in the Calendar Categories editor. Thanks for watching, and email us at support@tutorbird.com if you have any questions.